I'm Akbar Zahid, and you're watching Ashmas. As of November 24, 2023, temporary truce between Israel and Hamas in the Gaza conflict appears to be holding. The truce includes a 4-day pause in fighting and the release of 13 hostages. Here's some recent news from the conflict. 8 trucks carrying humanitarian aid and fuel have entered the Gaza Strip. Ceasefire. The truce is the first in almost 7 weeks of war. Hamas is expected to release 13 hostages. There has been no fighting report several hours. Israeli attack. Hamas says 30 were killed in an Israeli attack on a own school. Israel forces open fire on Palestinians who returned to their homes. The conflict is rooted in the following issues. Israel occupies the West Bank and claims Jerusalem as its capital. Palestinians claim East Jerusalem as the capital of a future Palestinian state. The United States is one of the few countries that recognizes Jerusalem as Israel's capital. That's all for today. We'll meet you in next bulletin. Goodbye and take care.